Let's make a 3 treble crochet cluster, or any treble crochet cluster, but this one will be a 3. So here I have some regular treble crochet stitches. You know how to make those. You do 2 yarn overs for a treble crochet, you pull up a loop, gives you 4 loops on your hook, and then you yarn over, pull through 2 3 times to give you the treble crochet. Now we're going to use that stitch to make a cluster. Now just like with the double crochet clusters, if you've seen my tutorials, we're going to make partial treble crochet to create the cluster. So we start with the 2 yarn overs. I'm going to just move over a little bit. In fact, I might just give myself a bit of air. 2 yarn overs. I'm just going to skip one. You don't have to. This is just for demonstration. Pull up a loop. Now I have my 4 loops on my hook for my treble. I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2 twice only and stop. Do not finish, okay? Then we do another one. 2 yarn overs again in the same spot. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 twice and stop. Now I've got 3 loops on my hook. So there are 2 incomplete treble crochet right there. Now you can close that off as a cluster. In this case I'm going to make a third one. 2 yarn overs again. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 twice and stop, and now I have 4 loops on my hook, which is the starting loop plus the 3 I've created. And there are my 3 partial treble crochet, very easy to see. And to make the cluster I just yarn over and pull through all of them, and I've made myself a pretty little cluster. And this can be done with 2 trebles, 4 trebles, whatever the pattern requires, but that's how you make a 3 treble crochet cluster. Let's do one more. I'm just going to move over a bit. Over here, yarn over, pull up a loop and complete a partial treble. Don't do the final pull through. 2 loops over again, back in, pull through 2 twice and stop again. Whoops, there we go. Once more, pull up a loop, pull through 2 once, twice and stop. Gives you 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all, and that is your completed cluster. And I've made 2 now. Easy. Nothing to it. Once you know the principle, you can apply it any way you like. You can make 4, you can make 2, but there's my 3 treble crochet cluster. Too close? One more. Let's move over again. I might put 2 chains just to get a bit more space. So 2 yarn overs, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 twice, 2 yarn overs, pull up another loop in the same space, in the same spot. That's why it's a cluster, because it's all together, all clustered together in the same location. It could be in a stitch, it could be in a chain space, it could be anywhere. You have to consult your pattern for the designation, but that's the principle of the cluster. They're all clustered together. 4 loops left, pull through all, and another cluster is complete. And they're quite tall here. Okay, that's it for now. Catch you in the next one.